This is Scott, also known as the Leverage Builder, and I would like to welcome you to the Leverage Building Academy. Today, I want to talk about a done-for-you free lead system that won't cost you a thing. Okay, anybody that is in social media marketing or network marketing or any other type of business to business where you go out and you share your opportunity with other people, this particular system is a best fit for you. What we want to do today is I want to share with you my screen so that you can see how easy it is to actually go in and set up your system. So if you go to my website, you'll see it below the video. This page will come up. This particular video will play. It's automated, and if you become a part of my team, what I will actually do is create a share code for you where you can actually import this exact page and just change it out with your information for your account. So as you scroll down, it will ask you for your name. So you'll fill in your name, your email address, check the little box here, and then register your free system. So here's the neat part. This is fully automated. It's a no-brainer. So once you put in your name and your email address, you will click register, and then you're going to receive an email. So you need to go over to your email, open it up, and look for how to use your free system. Okay? You will get an email from Power Lead System that says how to use your free system. Open it up. You'll go over to our company page and log in. Okay? It's mycompanyadmin.com. Click how do I get started, and then simply follow the directions. Now, I told you at the beginning of this video that this system was free. It is free. However, it is highly recommended that you upgrade to the $7 one-time charge to be able to earn up to $6 per lead. It's a very simple process. Okay, very simple process. All right, then from there you can watch the instructional video. If you're still not sold on the idea, there are a couple testimonials here, but I'm telling you right now, without Lead Lightning, that $7 one-time fee, your sponsor is going to get half of your leads. That's just how it works. It's how the system is set up. They're going to earn $6 off of every lead that you generate. Now, it doesn't matter whether you're marketing Melaleuca, Amway, any other type of business, Power Lead System, any of the major network marketing companies, Tradera. It's so hot right now. And there are thousands of others. You can actually use this program to build a list that you can send people to just by offering them the opportunity to get started with Lead Lightning. And you can offer that for free, or you can offer the $7 one-time fee to begin building your list. Okay, so don't hesitate. Go over to the link that's in the description below, fill out the information, and get started building your list. Your money is in your list. Okay, the fortune's in the follow-up, but your money is in your list. So what you have to do is put together a system that's done for you that will help you build that system as rapidly as possible. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. Send me a message below. You can email me. My email is in the description as well. if you have any questions whatsoever. I look forward to working with you. I want you to become a VIP member of LeverageBuilder Academy. I have taken due diligence and time building this academy over the past year so that I can provide passive income strategies to those people who are in social media marketing or social marketing in general. Whether you're my age, in your 40s, whether you're in your 20s, 30s, whatever the case may be. We're in uncertain times right now, and this is a definite. People are going to build their businesses online, and it's just going to benefit you to put yourself out there ahead of everyone else and begin building your list and begin sending information to them so that you're able to capitalize on the current state of affairs. So with that, I hope you guys have a great day. I kept this video really short, sweet, and to the point. Check out the description below the video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. I'll see you on the inside. Have a great one.